Climate technology is no longer just about saving the planet. It is now one of the fastest-growing sources of well-paid engineering jobs in the world. With over $1 trillion in global investment, green tech is creating opportunities that barely existed 5 years ago. And you might already have the skills to step into one of these roles. Governments around the world are setting carbon neutrality targets. Corporations are investing billions to meet those targets. This is creating a strong and growing demand for tech professionals with sustainability expertise. Here are 5 high-growth roles worth knowing about. Battery Technology Engineer. You design next-generation batteries for electric vehicles and energy storage systems. Companies like Tesla, CATL, and QuantumScape are actively hiring globally. Carbon Capture Software Developer. You build AI and IoT systems that monitor and store carbon emissions. This combines environmental science with cloud computing and machine learning. Renewable Energy Data Scientist. You use AI and predictive analytics to optimize solar and wind farms. You forecast energy production and prevent equipment failures. The wind and solar industries are growing at around 40% annually in many regions. Smart Grid Engineer. You design intelligent power distribution systems that balance renewable energy with demand. Every country is currently upgrading its energy grid, which means sustained global demand for this skill. Sustainable Supply Chain Tech Lead. You build systems that track carbon footprints across international supply chains. Regulatory requirements are forcing every major company worldwide to create these roles. Here is something important. You do not need an environmental science degree to enter this field. Software engineers, data scientists, and hardware engineers are transitioning successfully. You simply need to add relevant domain knowledge, and that can come from online learning. These are not low-paying charity jobs. These are high-impact engineering positions at fast-growing companies with serious budgets. Green tech is where purpose meets real career progression. Subscribe for future-proof career strategies that work no matter where you live.